Hello and welcome to Lesson 5 of our exclusive course for credit repair professionals, focusing on the essential aspect of customer interactions with ChatGPT. In today's competitive market, connecting with clients can be really challenging. Engagement, personalized service, and compliance may feel like obstacles rather than opportunities. But in Lesson 5, we show you how to use ChatGPT to identify and cater specifically to your client's needs. Leverage it as a virtual co-author for communications. Use it for tailored, immediate client responses. If a client asks a question and you don't have an answer, plug it into ChatGPT, it'll give you the answer. Okay, you can use it to navigate legal regulations with CROA. You can gain insights from industry success stories and best practices. Dive into the full course to master these strategies and incorporate ChatGPT seamlessly into your business. Again, this was just a preview. We'll see you on the inside. Just go ahead and enroll in our course today, and you will absolutely love this course. See you there.